Puffy eyes are a common concern caused by factors like fluid retention, allergies, lack of sleep, or aging. While skincare products and treatments exist, nature offers simple, affordable solutions. Certain foods, rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and hydration properties, can reduce puffiness when used topically or consumed. Here are 8 natural foods to incorporate into your routine for brighter, refreshed eyes. 1. Cucumber. Cucumbers are a classic remedy for puffy eyes. Their high water content hydrates the skin, while cooling properties constrict blood vessels, reducing swelling. Slice chilled cucumbers and place them over closed eyelids for 10-15 minutes. The silica in cucumbers also supports skin health, minimizing fine lines. For a dietary boost, add cucumbers to salads or infused water to combat dehydration, a common contributor to puffiness. 2. Green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants called catechins, which reduce inflammation and tighten skin. Soak 2 caffeine-rich tea bags in cold water, then chill them in the fridge. Place the bags over your eyes for 10 minutes. The caffeine constricts blood vessels, diminishing fluid buildup. Drinking green tea daily also supports overall hydration and detoxification, addressing internal causes of puffiness. 3. Avocado. Avocado's healthy fats and vitamin E nourish delicate under-eye skin. Mash ripe avocado and apply it as a 15-minute mask to soothe inflammation. Alternatively, combine it with yogurt for added cooling benefits. Eating avocado regularly provides potassium, which balances sodium levels and reduces water retention linked to puffiness. 4. Banana. Bananas are rich in potassium, which counteracts sodium-induced fluid retention. Include them in your diet to maintain electrolyte balance. For topical use, blend a banana with a teaspoon of honey to create a hydrating mask. The natural enzymes and vitamins nourish the skin, reducing puffiness and dark circles. 5. Almonds. Almonds are a powerhouse of vitamin E, which protects skin from oxidative stress. Soak a handful overnight, blend into a paste with milk, and apply under the eyes to soften and depuff. Eating almonds daily also provides biotin and healthy fats, promoting skin elasticity and reducing inflammation. 6. Papaya. Papaya contains papain, an enzyme that breaks down fluid-retaining proteins and reduces inflammation. Apply mashed papaya under the eyes for 10 minutes, then rinse. Its vitamin C boosts collagen production, improving skin firmness. Consuming papaya aids digestion, indirectly addressing bloating that may contribute to facial puffiness. 7. Strawberries. Strawberries' astringent properties and vitamin C help tighten skin and reduce swelling. Chill sliced strawberries and place them on your eyelids for a refreshing treatment. Their ellagic acid also lightens dark circles. Blend strawberries into smoothies for a vitamin-rich snack that supports skin health. 8. Yogurt. Plain yogurt contains probiotics and lactic acid, which reduce inflammation and gently exfoliate. Apply chilled yogurt under the eyes for 10 minutes to soothe puffiness. Pair it with turmeric for added anti-inflammatory benefits. Consuming yogurt improves gut health, which can minimize systemic inflammation affecting the skin. Hydration matters. While these foods help, staying hydrated is key. Drink plenty of water and consume water-rich foods like watermelon, celery, and oranges to flush out toxins and prevent fluid retention. Limit salty snacks and alcohol, which exacerbate puffiness. Conclusion. Natural foods offer gentle, effective solutions for puffy eyes. Whether applied topically or enjoyed as part of a balanced diet, ingredients like cucumber, green tea, and avocado address both symptoms and root causes. Pair these remedies with adequate sleep and a healthy lifestyle for optimal results. If puffiness persists, consult a healthcare professional to rule out underlying conditions. Embrace these kitchen staples for a refreshed, radiant look without harsh chemicals.